Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we're going to make this adorable and elegant rose bag. It's perfect for carrying small items or simply adding a touch of handmade beauty to your outfits. We'll be using double-stranded 3mm yarn and a 4mm hook. Make sure you've got your materials ready. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, make a magic ring. Then chain 2 and crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. Close the round with a slip stitch. Great start. Take your time getting your circle nice and flat. Next, for round 2, chain 2 again and make 12 double crochet increases, 2 double crochets in each stitch around, slip stitch to join. Well done, your base is getting bigger. For round 3, chain 2. Now repeat 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase all the way around. You'll have 36 stitches when you finish. Slip stitch to join. You're doing amazing. Make sure your stitches are even and not too tight. Let's continue with round 4. Chain 2 and repeat 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet all the way around. Slip stitch to finish. You're shaping the base beautifully. Now chain 2 and repeat 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase all the way around. You should end up with 60 stitches. Slip stitch to finish. Great progress, your bag base is complete. Moving to round 6, work in the back loops only. Chain 2 and make 60 double crochets. Slip stitch to join. Working in the back loops gives the base a nice, clean edge. For rounds 7 to 17, chain 2 and repeat 4 double crochets, then 1 front post double crochet around. This creates a lovely texture on your bag. Remember to count your stitches to stay on track. You're doing fantastic. Keep going until you reach round 17 inches. Switch to green yarn for the leaf border. In round 18, repeat single crochet, chain 2, skip 2 stitches 20 times around. Slip stitch to join. You're creating the base for the leaf shapes. Great job. For round 19, make 60 single crochets, working 1 stitch in each space. Slip stitch to join. You're almost there. Stay with me. Now let's shape the leaves in round 20. Start with 3 single crochets. Then repeat chain 3 Slip stitch the following leaf shape: single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 3 again, and repeat the same leaf shape. After that, make 5 single crochets. Repeat this leaf pattern 12 times around. Finish with 2 single crochets and slip stitch to join. Look at those beautiful leaves. Amazing work. For the drawstring, start by chaining 7. Turn your work, skip the first chain, and make slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. After completing the small leaf, make a long chain of 90 chains. This will be the drawstring to thread through the leaf border. Well done, you're almost finished. For the final touch, let's crochet the rose flower. Find the space between 2 leaves and chain 11. Turn your work, skip the first 3 chains, and make 8 front post double crochets in the next 8 stitches. Then, make 2 slip stitches to secure. Now thread the flower through the leaf border and secure it by sewing onto the front stitches. Beautiful! Finish by inserting the 2 drawstring cords through the leaf border. And there you have it, your very own rose bag. It's perfect for holding small items, gifting to someone special, or simply enjoying as a handmade accessory. I hope you had fun making this with me today. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!